Hello, how do you solve this exponential problem? Negative 17 to the power of n equals 17. We are going to consider two different methods. So let's start by replacing this negative 17 with the product of negative 1 and 17. Negative 1 times 17 will give you negative 17, and this is raised to the power of n, and this equals 17. Now, look at this. If you have a times b raised to the power of c, this equals a power c times b power c. So meaning we have negative 1 power n times 17 to the power of n equals 17. From here, we consider this identity. E to the power of I times pi plus 1 equals 0. Meaning e to the power of I times pi equals negative 1. So there is negative 1 here. I can replace it with e to the power of I times pi, and this is raised to the power of n times 17 to the power of n equals 17. Also remember, if you have a to the power of c raised to the power of d equals a power c times d. I multiply this out. I will have e to the power of I times pi times n times 17 to the power of n equals 17. From now, what I will do is to apply natural log of e to the power of I times pi times n times 17 to the power of n equals natural log of 17. For you to solve further, you consider this identity. If you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. Meaning e to the power of I times pi is my a, this is my b. So applying this identity, we have natural log of e to the power of I times pi times n plus natural log of 17 to the power of n equals natural log 17. From here, if you have natural log of a power b equals b times natural log a. So we have I times pi n because this obviously comes behind natural log e plus the same thing here, and natural log 17 equals natural log 17. Natural log of e eliminate each other. What I have left is I times pi n plus n natural log 17 equals natural log 17. And we factor out that n divides I pi n, we have I pi plus n divides this, we have natural log 17, and this equals natural log 17. Solving for n, I divide this by I pi plus natural log 17. Divide this by I pi plus natural log 17. This cancels this. I simply have n equals natural log 17 divided by I pi plus natural log 17. That's the value of my n. Let's consider another approach to this. Negative 17 power n equals 17. We are still going to consider replacing this with negative 1 times 17. power n equals 17. Now consider this identity. Square root -1 equals I. I can take the squares of both part of this, so we have -1 equals I power 2. Meaning that the negative one we have here, I'm going to replace it with I to the power of 2 times 17 raised to the power of n equals 17. Right now, I can make use of natural log of I power 2 times 17 raised to the power of n equals natural log 17. And remember the same identity, natural log a power b equals b natural log a. This simply means that the n here will come behind this. We have n times natural log of I power 2 times 17, and this equals natural log 17. Now consider this to be our a and this to be our b. Remember, natural log a times b equals natural log a plus natural log b. So we have n times natural log a, which is this, then plus natural log b, which is 17. And this equals natural log 17. Have you seen that? And it's outside the bracket. This is my a, which is this. This is my b, which is this. Then go back to the same identity here. Natural log a power b equals b times natural log a. I can apply that here. That means I'm going to have n times 2 natural log of I plus natural log 17 equals natural log 17. The 2 here comes behind this. What do? We isolate n. I divide this by 2 natural log I plus natural log 17. Divide this by 2 natural log I plus natural log 17. This cancels this. I can have n equals natural log 17 divided by 2 natural log I plus natural log 17. This is my other answer, meaning that 2 natural log I is the same thing as I times pi, because this are the same. So guys, that is it. The two solutions are obviously very correct, depending on how you solve it. So this is it, guys. This is the video of how you can solve this exponential problem. I believe you love it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.